Hello, everybody. Welcome to Try Sally Suite. In Excel, Sally can generate functions, charts, and pivot tables for you. It can also help you filter data and translate tables. Sally can help you generate code to edit the data and can analyze the data using Python. In Word, Sally can improve your writing or generate articles for you. In PowerPoint, Sally can generate presentations and speaker notes for you. In Outlook, Sally can help you summarize historical emails and generate reply emails. In Chrome extension, Sally can also help you generate articles and presentations, and it provides a powerful immersive input method. Type in your language, press the Tab key twice, then quickly rewrite it into other languages. At last, you can customize your agent based on the tools we provide. Finally, feel free to try Sally Suite on Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. Thank you.